Today we are making peanut butter cookies. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Nancy Morgan from Flavorsomefeast, and through this channel I share simple and easy recipes for everyone, especially for beginners and people with time constraint. So the cookie that I'm making today, it's a wonderful snack and can be prepared in no time. So let's see how to make them. These are just delicious. Try it and let me know in the comments how it went. And if there is anything specific you want me to make, let me know. I will be glad to put that out. So that's it for today. Have fun, guys. Be safe, stay blessed. Take care. Bye.